Good morning, happy Monday. We're gonna attempt to film this week because I have a short week of work, so I thought I would film before or after, or as much as I possibly can. But anyways, I thought I would do an outfit of the day. I am wearing a gold set of jewelry. I don't actually know where this came from. And then this sweater thing, I think I got off of Amazon. I feel like I got it off of Amazon. I'm not totally sure, but I think Amazon. If I can find it, I will try to link it if I remember when I film or when I edit this. And then these gold bands, my mom bought them from somewhere. I feel like I'll have to find out from her, but yeah. And then these pants are also from Amazon. These shoes, they're just plain old flats, nothing new. And these glasses are actually off on Amazon. Honestly, I think my entire outfit's off of Amazon. So I will try to find everything for you, link these, link the shirt, and link these. I gotta finish getting ready for work. I will see you guys probably after work because I probably won't film until then. So yeah. Okay, hi, welcome. I started this video as a vlog, and now it's just going to become a voiceover video because, you know, I don't know how else to do this and to make it interesting, so I thought I would change it up. Instead of just straight B-roll and music, I thought I would switch it up, and we're going to just have a chit-chat while you watch me clean. So, if you are new here, definitely subscribe, like this video, and if you want to see more of me, more day-to-day, not just every once in a while when I get a chance, go follow my Instagram. It's always linked down below in the milkshake link or whatever. All my social media is linked there. My Facebook even, that is linked to my Instagram, is over there. I think my Spotify is also linked. I don't know if it still is or not, but anyways, I also will make sure that I try to link all the Amazon products that I have for my outfit that I'm pretty sure I showed you at the beginning of this video. I will try to link all of that for you. So definitely go take a check at that. Definitely go check that out. Oh my goodness, words are hard. But I am recording this while I'm sitting here. I was supposed to have therapy this morning, but it got canceled when I'm filming this, and I still have to work this afternoon. So there's that. But I just thought I'd come on here and do it this way because I never do voiceovers anymore. I even have a microphone because I at one point wanted to start a podcast, which I still have actually, but I just don't keep up with social media enough to do that. So yeah, anyways, let me know what you guys did over the Labor Day weekend, because that's when I am filming this, or recording my voice anyways, not when I film the video. Let me know what you did over Labor Day weekend, anything fun. But we rearranged our living room and cleaned up a little bit. I also bought some wicker baskets, which I may or may not show in the next video. I don't really show like the downstairs area of my house because I'm not the only one who lives here, so the upstairs is mine, is my room basically, and there's no closet, so my second room is a smaller area, which I've debated putting my bed in there, but I feel like I just wouldn't like it in there. So yeah, it's kind of become my office, closets, get ready area. But yeah, I have some wicker baskets with covers for our entertainment center coffee table type thing that I want to use instead of the tubs that are on it, because there's only so many bedrooms and we don't have any closets in this house except for one, and it's tiny. So you get very creative with how you store things, that's for sure. What else can I tell you? So I didn't finish this voiceover when I filmed this, so here we go. We're doing this on my computer now. Yeah. Anyways, just finishing off this video with me cleaning, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you do for more. I don't I'm not consistent on here, so definitely go follow my Instagram. I'm way more consistent over there than on here. But anyways, hope you enjoyed and have a good start to your week, or beginning of your week, ending of your week, whenever you decide to watch this, and have the best day.